In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run and customize reports in QuickBooks Desktop. Reports are one of the most useful tools in QuickBooks Desktop because they help you review your financial data, check specific details, and organize information in a way that makes sense for your business. Once you know how to open the right report and make a few adjustments, it becomes much easier to find exactly what you need. To get started, go to the Reports menu at the top of QuickBooks Desktop. This is where you'll find the main report categories, organized by type. Depending on what you're looking for, you can choose a category that matches the information you want to review, such as company and financial data, sales information, customers, vendors, banking, or other report groups. After choosing the category, open the report you want to work with. Once the report is open, take a moment to review the default layout. QuickBooks usually displays a standard version first, but in many cases you'll want to adjust it so the report shows only the information that matters to you. To do that, click Customize Report at the top of the report window. This opens the customization options where you can modify the report in several different ways. In the Display tab, you can control how the report appears. This is where you adjust things like dates, columns, and the overall presentation of the data. If you want the report to focus on a specific time period or show different fields, this is a good place to start. Next, use the Filters tab to narrow down the results. Filters help you limit the report to certain transactions, accounts, names, or other criteria, depending on the report you're using. This is especially helpful when you want a cleaner, more targeted view instead of seeing everything at once. Then check the Header/Footer tab if you want to change the text that appears at the top or bottom of the report. This can help make the report clearer or more presentable, especially if you plan to share or print it. You can also go to the Fonts and Numbers tab to adjust how the report looks visually. This area lets you control formatting details, which can improve readability and make the report easier to interpret. After you've made your changes, review the final version to make sure it displays the information the way you want. If this is a report you'll use again, click Memorize to save the customized version. That way you won't need to repeat the setup each time, which can save time and keep your reporting process more consistent. And that's how to run and customize reports in QuickBooks Desktop.